Welcome to our channel Design Uploads. I am having 5 years designing experience in a US based mechanical company. I am here to explain how to create the mouse using the Creo surfaces. For the free GD&T classes, kindly click the link in the description. We are providing classes in Tamil also. First select the extrude option and select the plane like this. After that we need to give the sketch view option and select this plane option and create an arc like this. After that we need to ensure that the first point and second point are lying on the same line. For that I'm going to create in center line. I can see there's a difference between the second point and the center line. To overcome that difference I'm going to make it as 0. After making it as 0, we can see that the first point and second point are lying in the same center line. After that we need to give OK and we need to provide the depth as 325. After that just click OK. Therefore the surface has been formed. After the formation of the surface we need to provide the vertex round. For that select the surface option and give the vertex round and select the vertex points of the surface. Okay, first select the first point. By pressing the control we can continuously select the 4 points. This is the second point and this is the third one and this is the fourth one. After the selection of 4 points, by dragging this point we can able to see there is a deformation in the surface. Therefore the vertex round has been applied. We need to provide in proper value. For that I am going to give as 135. Therefore the vertex round has been formed for this surface. After the formation we need to give OK. We are going to form the mouse shape by using extend option. For that first of all we need to select an edge. After that we need to select an shift button and we need to select the edges continuously like this. After the completion of selection just click the extend option and select the second option and click the top plane and just click OK. Automatically the mouse shape will be formed here. After the formation of the mouse shape I need to provide a thicken. Okay, for that I am going to select in surface and give the thicken option. I need to provide the thickness value. I am going to provide it as 20. After giving that just give OK. Therefore the thickness has been applied to the surface. After the completion of thicken process I need to apply the round option. For that first select the round option and select the edges. After forming the round give the value as 35. Okay, after the formation just give OK. Therefore the mouse shape has been formed. Now I am going to create a slot for the scroll button in the mouse. For that first select a plane, first select a top plane and give extrude option and give sketch view option and draw in center line. The center line should be in between these two lines. Okay, after the formation of the center line just select the center rectangle and form in center rectangle at any point as a center line which is nearer to this line. Okay, after the formation on this line just select the dimensions and right click and give strong dimension. Therefore the dimension has been strong. Click OK. and extend the extrude above the surface and give remove material. Therefore, the slot for the mouse has been created. In between these slots only we are going to form the rollers of the mouse. Okay, let's see how to make it. For creating the rollers, first we need to select the axis, and then we need to select this surface, and we need to change the view orientation. I am going to select the front. First of all, we need to drag this point up to this edge, and second point to this edge. Okay, after that we need to change the display state to wireframe. We need to adjust this yellow point at the center of the green shaded portion for the just adjusting like this. For forming the roller at the center of the slot, after aligning the center point, just give OK and change the display style to shading with edges. After that, just rotate it. The center line has been formed here. We are going to form a plane on this on the basis of this axis which we have formed before. Okay, first select a plane and select the axis which we have formed, and select this edge. Therefore that a plane has been formed on the surface. Give OK. After formation of this plane, just select this plane and give revolve option and sketch view and draw a center line. The center line should be drawn over the center line which we have formed before. I have formed the center line. After forming the center line, draw in rectangle, corner rectangle, give corner rectangle. Therefore, the rectangle has been formed, and select the dimensions of the rectangle and make it as strong. After making it as strong, just give OK. Automatically a scroll button has been created. Therefore, the rollers are not at the center of the slot. To make the rollers at the center of the slot, just click this axis and give edit definition and give view orientation as front and adjust this point. Therefore, I have adjusted the points. After adjusting points, just give OK. Now you can able to view that the rollers are at the center of the slot. Okay, we can move to the next step. Now we are going to apply fillet for this rollers. For that, select the round option and select this edge. Select the edge of the roller and select the another edge of the roller and give the dimensions as 3 or 4, something like that. After giving the dimensions, just give OK. Now the fillet has been formed for the rollers. Okay. Next step, we are going to fill the gap at the bottom side. Therefore, we need to fill this gap. For that, first select this outer surface and give extrude option and sketch view option and select project option and select the outer boundaries. Therefore, the outer boundaries has been selected. After the completion of the rectangle, the fully closed loop sketch will be formed. After the formation, just give OK and give the thickness as 6, extrude distance as 6, and give OK. Automatically the mouse has been closed, the mouse gap has been closed, therefore the mouse has been formed. We are going to add appearance to the mouse. For that, go to view option, select appearance, and go to library and select the plastic, and select the plastic matte, and select the black color. I'm going to apply black color. By selecting the surfaces, by pressing the control continuously, we can apply the black color wherever it's needed. Continuously selecting the surfaces by pressing the control button. Therefore, the selection has been completed. Now I am going to give OK. Automatically the black color has been formed. Now I am going to apply next blue color. For that, again I go to appearance and I am going to select this plastic matte blue. After selecting this, just I am going to click here the surface where the blue need to be applied. This is the first surface. Next surface, next one, and this is the next one. After the completion of selection of surfaces, just give OK. Automatically the blue color will be applied. For the rollers, I am going to apply white color. Again I go to appearance and I am going to select the white color, and I am going to select the surfaces of the roller. I have completed the selection of the surface of rollers. After completing it, just give OK. Automatically the rollers colors will be changed. That's all, the mouse has been completed. If you are facing any problems in creation of mouse, kindly explain in the comment box. I will guide you to solve the problems. Kindly like, share and subscribe the Design Uploads channel. Thanks for watching.